Loving student, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all doing well. Guys, official YouTube channel. Respected parents, for the betterment of students and to enhance student learning skills, we create this channel. So please must watch all videos. Okay, let's start. Okay, students, let's start our video. My and your. Today's topic is my and your. My mean मेरा, your mean तुम्हारा. For example, th the is is, this is is, my my, this is my ये मेरा, the ag egg bag, ये मेरा बैग है. th the at that is that is why or you are or your the ag egg bag, that is your bag, वो तुम्हारा बैग है. स्टूडेंट दिस मीन ये, दैट मीन वो. दिस वी यूज दिस फॉर जो चीज़ हमारे करीब हो उसके लिए हम दिस यूज करते हैं. दैट यूज फॉर वो दूर की चीज़ के लिए हम दैट इस्तेमाल करते हैं. th the is is, this is, this is my my, this is my, hou how, s is the house, this is my house. th the at that is why or you are or your, that is your, hou how, s is the house, that is your house. th the is this is my, this is my, cycle, this is my cycle, ये मेरी साइकिल है. th the at that is why or you are or your, cycle, that is your cycle, वो तुम्हारी साइकिल है. Okay student, you must learn with syllables. Hope this video is helpful for you. So please like, share and subscribe Paradise official YouTube channel.